Hi guys, here I am cutting my fragrance is called Bonsai, but I'm going to rename it because it smells just like Irish Spring and smells wonderful. So this one I had done in layers, and as you can see I'm using a miter box in the hopes of trying to get it straight. Could do a little better, but it's definitely better than what I've done in the past. So we are going to see, and for some reason I just cannot seem to get it straight, and of course it's a little taller, but I'm happy with the way it came out. Look at all those layers. Since it was named Bonsai, I did the green and brown thinking of grass, but then after it set and I smelled it, like I said, it smells like Irish Spring. And even my son, who is picky about soap and all, said that this smelled very good. So it's still a little soft, as you can see, but came out nicely. There we go. Woo-woo. Pretty. And like I said, it smells so good. A nice fresh scent. So I'm going to order more of this because I have family members who love Irish Spring and a lot of people who like the fresh scent. And so this would be perfect for them. I know they'll love it. And I don't think this one will last very long. Kind of sticking. There we go. So this one, like I said, is Bonsai, but I'm going to rename it. And now I'm going to cut Ocean Rain. And I've smelt that fragrance before, and I think it's a dupe of something, but I just cannot put my fingers on it. So here we go with Ocean Rain. And this one I use blue mica from Brambleberry and the pearl green from Brambleberry as well. Kind of cracked on top. You can see this one had gelled, but it only gelled in the middle, so that's why it's kind of darker. You can see here in the middle and lighter on the edges, because that's all the same color. But I think once it dries up some more and cures, maybe it won't be so dark. But hey, it does not change the quality of the soap, even though it's gelled. And I already used the Bonsai already. And boy, the lather in it And these both are the same recipes. I used coconut, castor, palm, and olive oil in both these batches. And you can see. And actually, I like this miter box deal. And this actually isn't mine. A friend of mine let me borrow hers. The one that I had was too short and didn't go all the way down. So she let me borrow hers, and hers is actually a little higher. Wish it was a little bit higher. But I actually think that I might be able to make one like this, or take apart my wooden one. This is my wooden one, as you can see. Same height here, but the wood here in the middle is higher, so I'm thinking I'll take apart the sides here and put it on top, and I think I'll still have room for my soap to fit in it. I'm gonna try it. Gotta be handy. Okay? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.